So what I've done is just set it up on just some plain paper, just to kind of show you the kind of speed that you can kind of get from this machine. We would probably suggest to slow it down, just because you've got a card through it and you don't need to go this far when you've got something sensitive as this paper stock. So what we do on this one, we're just going to set it up for a half fold. So you pop your paper in. You can get nearly about a ream's worth of paper into the feeder itself. Slide the paper in. You've got your rollers here which will pull the paper in as it goes through. Here you set up on these are called the fold plates. So you set up which fold that you want just by sliding this guide along here. So you can see all the different types of folds that this machine will do. So we just want to do a half fold. So we slide this down to a half fold position. And then we do the same on the back. You can just see you've got your different folds up here, and we just slide it down to the half fold. If you need to make any fine adjustments, tweaking the fold, you can just use the little dials on top here and just give them a little twist, and that will do the fine adjustment. You got on your control panel, you've got your speed you can control. Obviously we're going to use a lower speed count for your documents. What I'll do is I'll run it on full speed at the moment, so you can give you an idea of the speed. You've got your counters, so if you want to do 1,000 you just add, or it will count up for you. So you've got a test if you want to do test to see if it's alright. So we just hit the test. Produces 2 for you, so you can just make sure that if there's any skew adjustment that needed, or you need to just make the fold a little bit shorter or a bit longer, you can do that, and then you would use the little fine adjustment knobs to do that. Once you're happy with it, then you can press start. You can see you've got your 76 piece of folded paper. Right. So we're going to slow down for your document. So we've just got on the control panel here, we're just going to press minus, and then you've got low or mid. So we put your documents in. So these ones go head first down for the front cover. Pop them in the feeder. Okay. Cool. And then so we'll run it into a bit more mid speed onto this one. And you can see you've got your folded document on that one. One. Cool, and then you can see you've got all your folds. So this is on your kind of more yellower stock on this one. A little bit more shiny, so you might get a bit more slippage. Unfortunately, you can't adjust the thickness separator on these ones. So what we'll do is we'll start that one. What I've done is adjusted the speed control on this one just to get it, because it's a little bit more slippy. What it gives these rollers a bit more of a spin so when it goes through into the machine, so you can get through it. Just to give it a bit more oomph, because there's a little bit of a shine on that stock to go through there to give it a bit more of a oomph as it goes through the machine. But no, that's pretty much it. Yeah, it's pretty much it.